We love Thursday pools. Our manufacturers, all of our manufacturers are like buying cars. You can buy a Yukon or you can buy a Denali. Thursday pools is like buying a Denali. Makes an easy choice.
The choice options that they have on variety as well as colors really appeals to a lot of customers, especially when we're in competition with other manufacturers.
They're very innovative. They're creative with their design. The designs are beautiful.
When we sell the product, we know that the quality is going to be consistent.
They have a lot of seating and sun decks in them, which are always really popular with people. And just overall models, I think, are real versatile for pretty much anything you're looking for. They've got a good shape that fits it.
And some of the unique features, whether it be the beach entry or whether it be the ledges that the people can tan on or whether it be the ledges that you can sit and watch your kids having fun. You know, Thursday Pool has so many unique opportunities to make those special memories.